You're receiving the Cyberstream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of Cyberstreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, outdated tech, a cybercriminal's playground. Cybercriminals constantly find new ways to exploit vulnerabilities for profit. In this ongoing battle, it's crucial to keep your tech updated. When notified about updates, install them promptly. It's free and worth the effort. Microsoft, the leading software provider, operates on 1.4 billion computers globally. They release monthly updates on the second Tuesday, known as Patch Tuesday, alongside occasional critical updates. Security flaws are researched and patched. Installing these patches keeps you secure. People ask why Microsoft appears insecure with frequent updates. While Microsoft updates are highly publicized, all technology requires regular updates for security. For example, iPhone updates also include security patches, but Apple doesn't detail them as clearly. Similarly, Adobe, Android, Cisco, Chrome, Zoom, and other tech products are susceptible to security threats and must be kept current. Eventually, your device will lose support, requiring an upgrade. At that time, there won't be technical support, bug fixes, or security updates available to protect your PC from viruses, spyware, and ransomware. Once support ends, your software will still work but won't get updates. Cybercriminals exploit this, knowing that many delay updating. In January 2020, Microsoft stopped supporting Windows 7, prompting a global push for Windows 10. A recent report from The Verge indicates that around 100 million PCs still run Windows 7. When extended support ends, users face security risks and fall out of compliance with frameworks like HIPAA, the various state data security laws, and more. In 2017, the WannaCry ransomware affected 300,000 computers across 150 countries. Although Microsoft issued a patch for the vulnerability 2 months earlier, many systems remained unpatched, including millions running outdated Windows XP. Britain's National Health Service was severely disrupted, leading to patient diversions due to their inability to provide care. The Massachusetts Data Security Law, which went into effect over 10 years ago, contains requirements to keep computers up to date. And this is just one example. CCPA, NYSDFS, Colorado Data Privacy Law, the Oregon Consumer Identity Theft Protection Act, and more are passing every day. Hanging on to old technology and ignoring updates results in risk-related expenses. Think about an old house without smoke detectors and old faulty wiring. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, keep it updated. Update all the software on everything. Software updates are free, an easy step to significantly improve your security. Second, keep it modern. Replace any hardware older than 5 years. And third, keep it alive. Remove from your network and dispose of any technology that is out of support and beyond its manufacturer's end-of-life date. This would include just about anything over 10 years old. For more information on this story or how Cyberstreams can help you understand your CyberFit score using our proprietary CyberFit assessment, check out the description or comments accompanying this content. This concludes your Cyberstream system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.